Alright, I'm gonna lock down side garden.
Being big on unannounced guests. I ain't gonna take kindly to this trespassing.
Side garden's locked.
Not right now. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, I'll try to avoid the center of the map because I'm putting those 2 traps down right there again. Ooh, I heard you get somebody, or at least hit them. Nice, good job. I heard that.
Yeah, I just got Anna. Get her out the way.
Nice, good job. Nope, they're both still down there with you, huh? I guess we can go down there now, huh? Fuck it. I'm going down there. They went up? Okay.
Everything's fine.
I'm coming up.
Danny's just ran into the kitchen bit.
Oh, okay. Did y'all get him?
No. Oh, I've just run into your trap by mistake. Though.
It's all good, it's all good. Don't worry about it. I'll reset it. We only got 2 left on them, so it's all good.
Nobody ever said life was fair.
We just gotta watch that front window. Now we got exterior.
Grandpa just needs a bit in.
I got 70 on him. I'm gonna go get it.
Oh yeah, no, it's deactivating anyway.
Oh, okay.
Rear porch staircase was open.
What was open?
Rear porch staircase. I think there might be upstairs.
Okay, I'm going upstairs. I gotta check the. I haven't even been upstairs yet. Fuse is in the middle. I can't get to it. Not from here. Fuse is still closed, but I can't get to it, guys. There we go. Now I can. Thank you. I'm going to the fuse. I think they're in there. No, they're not. They're not. Okay. I'm closing these crawl spaces. I'll look for them in a second.
Yep. Danny's
Alright,
at the back kitchen door.
Looking now.
I'll find you.
Yeah, Danny is in the kitchen, yeah. Oh, side garden, side garden. Somebody hit my trap.
He's dead.
Or, nice. Did the trap get him?
Yep.
Nice. All right. I'm gonna come feed Grandpa. I got 93 for him.
Want to check the window again?
How do we still have 2 left?
Window's good.
How do we still have 2 left? I thought we killed Anna and Danny. Oh, Anna was
Yeah,
AFK. My bad. I forgot when they're AFK, they don't just go away.
Right, you need to reset your trap again.
Yeah, I got you.
Back.
I got you. Oh, one of them was right here.
Stay there, he's gonna come round.
Where? Did you get him?
I've got him. Yep, he's coming out.
Got him!
Good.
Good call, good call. I'm gonna reset my side garden trap. We need to check that fuse.
I'm just feeding Grandpa.
No worries. Resetting my trap. All we got is Julie. Keep an eye on that window. I'm gonna go check it.
I've just checked it. It's all good.
All right, cool.
The window upstairs is all good.
All right, cool.
Fuse box is still closed.
Back door is still locked. I'm gonna see if I can find her. Hold on. She is outside. She's in the side garden, I believe, or on the side of the house, front yard. One of the two. She's outside though.
Ain't looking too bad these days.
Apologies for your trap.
Oh, no problem. She might not be in the side garden though. I think she might be the side of the house. She might be going for the gin. I'm going out there. I couldn't tell with it being so blurry, you know. So we may need to go check that gin.
It's fine.
Gin is out front or out back?
Captain, is your lock good on the back door?
Jen is in the back. I'm going. She might be going for the battery too. I'm not sure. Yeah, I think she was outside on the side here. I don't know how she would have gotten outside. Wait, is she?
She's
I don't know
dead. She's
where.
dead.
Oh, you got her? Where was she? Side garden?
Side garden, yeah.
Nice. Okay, cool.
Good job.
Hey. GG's, guys. That was nice. It was 3-on-3, but I'll take it.